So spoilers, if you missed it, Jordan Smith had a really bad crash in the whoops at Arlington. Ended up taking him out around one or race one from the night to the hospital, and well, there goes his championship basically. On Saturday night, he posted on his X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, saying, quote, "Hey guys, obviously really bummed with going down so hard like that. Was feeling really good and felt good all the way through. I'm in the hospital right now. Unfortunately, I sustained a punctured lung and possibly some broken ribs. All good, we'll heal up and be back soon." Now, since then, he's posted another update from it, and this is getting worse technically, saying, quote, "What a bummer. Can be doing everything right and still things happen in the sport that you just don't know why. I'm beat up, but I'll be back. I'm currently still in the hospital. I have 4 broken ribs, a punctured lung, and a small laceration in my spleen. They're monitoring me for a little longer and should be headed home in the morning. Thanks for all the support from the fans and from my family and team. We will come back stronger. Also, huge thanks to the Alpine Stars medical team for taking great care of me on track and once we got to the medical rig." Now, this is surprising to me that they actually put him on a backboard, unlike the last few crashes where you've seen them making people walk and holding their neck. And you got to say, the good thing is you can see him, moving around. So at least it wasn't like you knew or thought at the moment it wasn't a bad spinal injury, or, he wasn't like numb anywhere. So not exactly great, but better than it could have been. I mean, going right into the face of a whoop at that speed, not exactly good. And, for Avery Long standing right there, had no idea he's even coming. You got to be freaked out by that. And I mean, it is. I think they changed the rule, or the TV rule, whatever it was, a couple years ago. Like, you didn't see any of, like, they'll show the replay. They'll show the crash, but they will not show the person on the ground. So you really don't have any clue of how bad it actually is unless you're there, or you can see what they do getting onto the rig, whatever you want to call it, the side by side. So it sucks. I mean, obviously, that's his championship done. And for Triumph, it was such a great year to start. First podium, first win. He looked like he was, you know, doing well, and he was fast. I think he was second in the points coming into this race. And obviously, with no points there, I think he's fifth now. Correct me if I'm wrong there. But I mean, it is. The championship's done. He's not going to come back and have a chance at this if he comes back for Supercross at all. But I mean, you got to say the good thing is 4 broken ribs and a punctured lung. Not exactly the worst of anything. Obviously, the ribs are going to be very painful for a long time. The lung's going to be a problem. Like, obviously, he's not going to be training. And the spleen, I'm assuming, somebody tell me below how long that takes to heal. I'm assuming a while. I've never lacerated my spleen, so I don't know. But I mean, it sucks for him. Sucks for the team. Obviously, now what, 75% of their team is out for the year. I mean, signed 3 new guys and only Austin Faulkner. Imagine this. Only Austin Faulkner is the one riding still. He has not yet, I'm going to say this, knock on wood, he has not yet hurt himself. I don't want him to. Knock on wood, knock on wood. But it sucks. I mean, obviously, this team, second year, looked like they have a bike that's championship competitive, had a rider that was championship competitive, and one of those freak things, in the whoops, lost the rear side by side or side to side, and then, you're a passenger at that point. There's nothing you can do about that. Sucks to see, but hopefully, he can heal up, come back for outdoors, and, show what that bike can do. But comment down below. You guys tell me, what do you think? Do you like the Triple Crown format? Do you not like it? Personally, I'm a fan of it because I like all the races actually meaning something, not just, a heat race you can barely skate through and be fine. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.